Most businesses focus heavily on logos, colors, and design. But customers also remember how your brand speaks. A confused tone of voice creates a confused brand experience. If your website sounds corporate, your Instagram sounds trendy, and your emails sound robotic, your audience struggles to understand who you are. Your brand personality should stay consistent across every touch point. Your tone of voice should adapt without losing identity. That is how memorable brands are built. At BrandXpert, we help SMEs create brands that sound as strong as they look. Follow BrandXpert for practical branding insights that help businesses grow.